Okay, let's go with the insert and then pictures. We have pictures that really brings pictures and insert any pictures you wanted from the computer you wanted. Now inserting pictures in is in two-way in Microsoft Word. Number one way is using offline version, and number two is online version. So you can pick up any you wanted, but it depends on your needs and on your design. So let's go. I'm gonna go with pictures that is offline and pick up this little nice picture that I shot it for myself, and then I'm gonna work on it and teach you. Okay, so just look at the pictures and then just realize that this is heart shape and done. Okay, it should not grab your attention too much. Once you bring and insert picture, you have an extra menu. It says picture tools. So you have adjustment group, picture styles, accessibility, arrange size. We have two of these, okay? So let's go with the remove background. What it is? It remove background removes the all background unnecessary things at the back. For example, right now it removes this really pink, and then the little thing that remains is really the face and then the hand. Now if you want to keep some area, so you can click in here. For example, I want to keep this part and also this part and then also this part, so you can just hover over them and make them really nicer. So now if there's some other areas that you don't want to really you want to remove, so keep areas to remove, you can also use this. But for me, this one is really fitting nice. Oops. Okay, so then you can discard all changes or you can keep changes. Now you can see it's very nice picture that I brought, and it's very clean looking and there's no background. Wow, that's about magic of remove background. So let me go back and discard all changes. Okay, to go back and really to see what we can do next with the picture. Correction is where you can you can sharpen, you can soften, you can adjust the brightness and contrast. All of that is available in here possibly for you. You can also go picture correction options where you can see other options as well, like presets in here are available also for you, like sharpen this much or this much. You have also brightness preset, and you have individually you can really manage them. So that's about corrections. We have color as well, like you can manage the color. So any color you want it, very red, and this much or this much, any color you want it. So it depends on you. You have more variations also, like to change the color of the picture. And we have also set transparent color is where if there's one image, there's one color, so it already works, but there isn't any one color, so it will not work. So that's about transparent, where you can remove background for pictures. Again, you can go picture color to see the about it. This is picture color. You can see the presets, and you can also go with saturation to make it really more red. You can see right now it's very a lot, but that's too much, so we're gonna go with 100%. Temperature as well, you can decide on it. So that's it about the color. You have artist effect as well. You can see that. We have also compressed picture. You can compress the pictures to any size like print, web, email, or default resolution. And there's two settings for that. Apply only to this picture, yes, or and also drop cropped areas. So these two are also good for compression. We have also change picture, where we can decide from a file, change it from file or from online resource or from icons. or from clipboard, so you can decide and change it. We have also receipt, like receipt picture or receipt picture and size. We can decide on that. For now, if we receipt picture and size, it's gonna be really big, so we're gonna not do that. We're gonna not do that. Okay, so that's the adjustment, and now it's picture style. Is about picture style. You can see, for example, this looks amazing. And we can also have some other extra borders as well. Oh, this is 3D. You can pick up any color you want it. We have also picture border in here, like you can see. And then we have our weight. We have our and the type as well the color. Texture effect, it'll just make the effect of the pictures, as you can see right now. And this is the shadow part. So this is the outer, this is the inner, and this is perspective. This is refraction. This is glow. This is soft edges. This bevel. And 3D rotation. Okay. That's about the picture effect. And picture layout is also possible. So it brings text with it, okay? So for example, this is the picture and you can type text in front of it. Or this is a picture, or this is the picture, and then you can bring it and you can type a text on it. So for example, decide on that. You can say JM Ikhtiari. So this is JM Ikhtiari, and it's his profile. And of course, once we have a smart art tool that we will talk about it in the future, not right now. So that's about the picture layout. Okay, let's talk about it really more specifically in smart art section, not right now. Alt text is it's about the create description of object for screen readers. It's creating for description when you can type for it for now. And let's not look at it right now. Position is about positioning text. Now let me just write some random text. Rand, and then we're gonna do this. So the picture right now is into the center, but we can make it to the anywhere, like this part, any part that we want, we can make that. All right, wrap text is where the text should be. Okay, it's tied through top and bottom of the text. You can see right now. Or you can go with somehow behind the text or in front of the text. Move with text, fixed position on page, and then more options, more layout options. Also, it's available for us like wrap text and like this my square, and then these options come up and you can decide on that as well. So that's about the wrap text. Okay, it wraps with the picture. Bring forward. So if you have two pictures, for example, now for example, I have two picture. There's one side. There's on both side. I can bring it back. I can send it forward. Okay, send. I can also do that with text as well. Bring forward. Bring forward. Okay, send backward. There's you go. There you go. Right now it's into backward. Selection pane is where you can see all the object and all the pictures. Align is where you can align them like left, right, center, top, medium. All of that is available for you. And finally, we have grouping, so you can select two of them and then you can group them to manage more efficiently. But for now, let's not stick with it. We have finally rotation 90 degrees or left 90 degrees, flip vertical or flip horizontal. You can see right now, I flipped it. There you go. It sounds there at one place and it's very easy. So that's about the rotation. I also can go with more rotation like height and width, and also more scale also is available for me. And finally, I have rotation. Okay, I have crop, where I can crop specifically to enemy customization, or crop to a shape that you can decide on. For example, let's crop to this side. There you go. So it's automatically cropping it. Or I can crop to aspect ratio, like 1:1, and then it says where you want it to have. So we're gonna say this part, and then it says crop. So we can crop like that way, and like aspect ratio if you want it. I can go with fail crop, or I can go with fit crop as well. And finally, I can manage the size as well. I can manage this using these things that are if using angles, and it's possible for me.